Hey yummy girls! Today I'll be sharing 5 tips on how to care for our wavy texture. Number 1, always wash your hair extensions prior to installation. This will allow you to see the texture's true wave pattern. Tip number 2, co-wash the hair 2 to 3 times per week, detangling from the ends to the roots using our favorite wavy brush. This is to ensure your hair is retaining moisture and periodically cleansing any buildup that could cause matting or tangling. Tip number 3, for daily care, brush through the hair to style and apply an alcohol-free gloss and polish for shine and frizz control. Tip number 4, for nighttime care, put your hair in a high ponytail or roll it into a bun to enhance the hair's wave pattern. And apply a satin scarf or bonnet to reduce frizz and flyaways. Tip number 5, remember when heat styling to always use a heat protectant to avoid damage. Keep in mind excessive heat styling can alter the original wave pattern and integrity of the hair. Well ladies, I hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to come back for another tip. Bye!